करेगा बेटा। जी
यस मैम बोलिए।
कुछ अपने एक्सपीरियंस।
मैडम ये शेयर मार्केट तो बहुत बड़ा है, समुंदर है। डेली एक्सपीरियंसेस है, डेली लर्निंग, डेली अर्निंग, एक्सपीरियंस। बट यही है कि जो सीख लिया उसको रिपीट नहीं कर सकेगा। नेवर रिपीट योर मिस्टेक, लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स। एंड आई chosen to work for share market. I was in Kotak Securities 9 to 10 years. Earlier that some wanted securities popular here. So my entire 19, 20 years in share market only. My last job was in Share Khan.
ओके
Yeah. So now I'm starting my own. And now I have a franchisee.
हाँ
Plus
हाँ
investing, and I'm also the trader also. I'm trading. I'm dealing, intraday and all.
हाँ 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 तो आप इंट्राडे करते हो? यूजुअली डू इंट्राडे
Intraday
ट्रांजैक्शंस?
options, futures and options
अच्छा
mostly.
फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस ओके
Yeah.
वाओ गुड
But अभी भी है ना algo and all. I'm continue है ना reading technical chart and
हाँ
all.
टेक्निकल चार्ट यू नो टेक्निकल
हाँ.
चार्ट
Yes,
नागेंद्र
yes,
जी
yes, yes.
अच्छा ओके गुड
वही हमारा बेस है.
I also depend on a technical chart most of the time.
Okay.
Sometimes on fundamental क्योंकि फंडामेंटल इंसाइट्स नहीं पता चलते वो मतलब ट्रू चीजें नहीं बताते कोई कंपनी तो
And
एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आ जाता है.
थोड़ा अभी ओपन इंटरेस्ट एंड ऑल वो भी चालू कीजिए.
हाँ ओपन
वो
इंटरेस्ट हाँ
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 वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट है.
राइट और राइट यस
ऑप्शंस में आप करती हैं काम?
समटाइम्स बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बट देन मैं इतना नहीं आई ऑलवेज रिस्ट्रिक्ट माई मनी इनटू शेयर मार्केट लाइक 1 लाख 2 लाख तक ही मैं रखती हूँ उससे ज्यादा नहीं करती हूँ. द रीजन
नहीं, नहीं.
बिहाइंड इज वो ग्रीडीनेस बहुत आ जाता है 2 का फिर 4 एंड 4 का फिर 8 आ
नहीं,
जाए
नहीं,
बट
इंट्राडे के
देन मेरा
लिए.
एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉफिट रहता है देन आई विड्रॉ दैट थिंग
Yes.
भले वो शेयर उससे आगे 50 रुपीज 60 रुपीज जाए.
नहीं, नहीं, वही है. इसमें ना डाइवर्सिफाइड
हाँ
करना पड़ेगा आपको. लॉन्ग टर्म,
हाँ
शॉर्ट टर्म, मीडियम टर्म, इंट्राडे एंड ऑल.
इंट्राडे राइट इंट्राडे तो मोस्टली तो नहीं ठीक है मतलब वीकली ऐसा देखती हूँ मैं अगर कोई अच्छा मिला टॉपिक एंड देन मैं अगर रिसर्च करती हूँ तो ही अदरवाइज नहीं बिल्कुल
मेरा
भी नहीं
मैम
मैं टिप्स पे नहीं देखती कभी
8 to 4 है ना, यही टाइम रहता है मेरा. फुल
हाँ
डेडिकेटेड इसी पे.
हाँ वाह चलो वेरी गुड राइट
कल का बढ़िया प्रोग्राम था, मैं देखेंगे. उसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी एक बार भेज दीजिए आप.
हाँ हाँ
ठीक. ओके. थैंक यू मैम.
यस सर थैंक यू नागेश. सो यस टुडेस टॉपिक स्टार्ट करें.
Yes. Perfect. Perfect.
ओके सो आज का टॉपिक है सबकॉन्शियस मनी ब्लॉक के बारे में. Today's topic is about our subconscious money blocks. So, subconscious money blocks are basically those barriers into our belief systems and in regards to your thoughts and your feelings about money. They act much like a dam in a river and it prevent us the flow of our thoughts and emotions from reaching to our true destinations. तो हमें हमारे true destination तक पहुंचाने के पहले जो एक barrier आता है बीच में वो हमारे होते हैं basically subconscious money block. एंड मनी ब्लॉक बेसिकली सब निगेटिव ये जो सबकॉन्शियस बिलीफ अबाउट मनी है दैट इज लिमिट यू फ्रॉम अचीविंग अवर सबकॉन्शियस डिजायर. एंड दिस सबकॉन्शियस मनी ब्लॉक इज मेड अप ऑफ अवर ओल्ड आइडियाज हो सकते हैं, कुछ बिलीफ हो सकते हैं, कुछ चाइल्डहुड की कुछ मेमोरीज वगैरह हो सकती है. एंड होता क्या है कि ये जो सबकॉन्शियस मनी ब्लॉक है ये कंप्लीटली सैबोटेज कंप्लीटली हार्म करते हैं हमारे मनी के गोल तक हमें रीच करने के लिए. सो ऑल्सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू वांट टू सेव मनी, हम मनी कुछ हमारे मनी ब्लॉक की वजह से, कुछ तो है हमें मिथ चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज के हमारे कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं जिसकी वजह से इवन इफ यू वांट टू सेव अ मनी वी कांट स्पेंड। तो शेयर मार्केट के बारे में किसी ने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया हो या फिर हमारे पेरेंट्स ही पहले से ही नहीं इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो तो हमें भी वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ जाएगा और हम जाएंगे भी नहीं। और अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स ने लॉस वगैरह देखा हो अगर शेयर मार्केट में, म्यूचुअल फंड्स में या फिर कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट के डिसीजंस में, तो हम भी नहीं जाएंगे। और होता क्या है दैट इनफैक्ट ऑल्सो ये भी होता है कि अगर हमें बजट भी बनाना रहता है, हमें मनी भी सेव करना रहता है या फिर हमें हमारे फाइनेंस के ऊपर कुछ कंट्रोल भी करना रहता है ना, तो भी हम नहीं कर पाते। मेजर रीजन इज एक होता है कि हमारा मनी ब्लॉक एंड द सेकेंड इज समथिंग दैट जस्ट वी आर मिसिंग आउट द टूल्स एंड द नॉलेज। सो देर आर द टू पॉसिबिलिटीज विच हमारे मनी का एक फाइनेंस टोटल कंट्रोल नहीं करते, जिसके दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है। वन इज दैट वी आर मिसिंग सम टूल्स and the knowledge to improve our financial situations, and the second is that our money blocks. Now what happened with this money blocks is basically that we are surrounded by the people from different generations. We are raised by some different income, held with some different values, different parts of the world, born into some different economies, and we experience some different job market, some different incentives या फिर different कुछ lessons देख के आते हैं। and सबके एक्सपीरियंस मनी के तरफ कुछ अलग अलग रहते हैं। एंड लिस्ट ऑफ दिस एक्सपीरियंस, ये एंडलेस एक्सपीरियंस है, द लिस्ट ऑफ दिस एक्सपीरियंस इज एक्चुअली एंडलेस। एंड हमें क्या होता है कि हमारा ये मिथ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा मनी के तरफ होने का एक नजरिया और एक जरिया ना कंप्लीटली अलग होगा सामने वाले पर्सन का उस मनी के तरफ देखने का नजरिया। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कल युवराज जी ने कहा आई एम नॉट कंप्लीटली इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू द शेयर मार्केट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ओन रीजन। सो बट देन मेरा ऐसा होता है कि मैं वहां पे एक अपॉर्चुनिटीज देखती हूँ, बट एट द सेम टाइम मैं युवराज जी से 1-to-1 कॉन्वर्सेशन भी करूंगी कि वाई वो क्यों शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते एंड वाई, ऐसा क्या है, दैट आई विल ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट कि क्या रीजन है ऐसा करके। बट ये एक होता है, तो मेरे मनी के कॉन्वर्सेशंस मनी से रिलेटेड कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट हो सकता है, एक्सपीरियंस मेरे कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं। व्हाई? बिकॉज आई गो इन अ लाइफ विद सम डिफरेंट बिलीफ, डिफरेंट गोल, डिफरेंट फॉरकास्ट, कंप्लीटली मेरा डिफरेंट हो सकता है। ऑल्सो मैं एक्सपीरियंसेस भी डिफरेंट होती है। सेकेंड थिंग ये होती है कि माई चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑलवेज अफेक्ट मेरे मनी के एक्शन से होते हैं। And at the same time, as a childhood, I received some messages from my family members, from my people, social group से, media से, community से, and also watching others. मैं दूसरों को देखती भी, मैं मेरे मनी के डिसीजंस को देखती हूँ, मैं उसको कॉपी करती हूँ बेसिकली, या फिर मैं कुछ पढ़ती हूँ, मैं मीडिया देखती हूँ, एंड मेरे दिमाग में वही मनी के स्क्रिप्ट्स, वही मनी के स्टोरीज एंड मेरे मनी के ब्लूप्रिंट्स वैसे ही बनते। तो देयर वाज अ रीजन बिहाइंड, मैंने और सौरभ ने एक्चुअली वो एक्सरसाइज दिया था कि आपको बर्निंग लेटर का लिखना है। व्हाई? क्योंकि मेरे अगर दिमाग में मेरे मनी के कुछ तो ब्लॉकेजेस ऐसे है जिसे मुझे अगर रिमूव करना है, देन वो एक्टिविटी मुझे करनी बहुत जरूरी है कि उस वजह से मेरे मनी के ब्लॉकेजेस या फिर मनी से रिलेटेड मेरी कुछ थिंकिंग है, जो सबकॉन्शियस बिलीफ है मेरे दिमाग में, वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे डेली लाइफ पे वो असर करता है। डेफिनेटली इसका असर मेरे इन्वेस्टमेंट के ऊपर भी पड़ता है, तो इसलिए मुझे वो करना चाहिए। सो दूसरा और एक चीज होता है कि इफ यू रिसीव अ पॉजिटिव मैसेज सच एज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मनी इज अ गुड बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड मी विथ व्हाट आई नीड। मनी अच्छी है क्योंकि मैं जो चाहता हूँ मनी से खरीद सकता हूँ। दूसरा, इफ माई पेरेंट्स, मेरे चाइल्डहुड के एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने ये जाना है कि इफ माई पेरेंट्स हैव अ काम constructive conversation about money, then I am more likely to have a healthy relationship with money. But on the other hand, if I heard, अगर मैंने मेरे चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंस में ऐसा देखा हो, मेरे मनी के मैसेजेस ऐसे मैंने कॉन्वर्सेशन मेरे मम्मी पापा से सुने हो कि यू डोंट डिजर्व मनी, या फिर आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, नो, या फिर if I constantly see my parents are fighting about money all the time, so regularly अगर मैंने मेरे पेरेंट्स की फाइट देखी हो, और तो होता क्या है मेरे लिए क्या होगा, what my thinking was, फॉर मी मनी इज अ समवॉट पेन होगा, मेरे लिए मनी का सफर होगा. अग्री और डिसअग्री. अगर मैंने मेरे चाइल्डहुड के एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने अगर मम्मी पापा का झगड़ा कॉन्स्टेंटली देखा होगा, हमेशा ऐसा ही देखा होगा कि मनी के लिए मॉम डैड हमेशा सफर ही करते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली मेरा ऐसा ही मानना होगा मनी के तरफ कि अरे पुअर पीपल हमेशा, या फिर हम कभी डिजर्व ही नहीं करते क्या मनी, मेरे मम्मी पापा हमेशा झगड़ा ही करते हैं क्या मेरे लिए, मनी के लिए. सो देयर वाज ऑलवेज अ वन, एक सबकॉन्शियस मनी ब्लॉक हमेशा मन में रहता है, दैट बिलीव दैट आई डोंट डिजर्व मनी. Now, if I grew up in belief that the abundance was something which has happened to the other people, so I might think that कि मनी हमेशा रिच पीपल के पास ही जाती है और वही हमेशा वही लोग सक्सेस हमेशा डिजर्व करते हैं. लेकिन देखा जाए ना तो ऐसा एक्चुअली है नहीं. मनी के बारे में एक खूबसूरत बात बहुत कही जाइए कि ये जो है एक बहुत प्यारी सी बात बताई गई है मनी के बारे में कि मनी कभी किसी चीज के लिए भेदभाव नहीं करता. वो इस बात की परवाह ही नहीं करता कि तुम्हारी कास्ट कौन सी है, तुम्हारा क्लास कौन सा है, तुम्हारे पास्ट के एक्सपीरियंसेस कौन से हैं, तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा ने क्या किया है बेसिकली मनी के साथ. नहीं, एवरी दिन हर एक नए एक प्लेन स्लेट की तरह तैयार होता है. एंड मनी को इस चीज का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि हमारा पास्ट क्या है करके. ये तो हम सोचते हैं, इट इज ओनली आर बिलीफ कि ऐसा है करके. अग्री और डिसअग्री कि ऐसा है. यस. तो हमें हमेशा इस चीज के लिए बिलीव करना चाहिए कि ऑफ कोर्स आई डिजर्व मनी. नाउ आई टेल यू टुडे you all have to do one exercise that you have to write down at least 10 reasons that why you feel that I deserve money. मुझे देखना है अपने reasons, मुझे find out करने चाहिए कि क्यों मैं डिजर्व करता हूँ. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे लिए मैं हमेशा ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि आई डिजर्व मनी बिकॉज आई एम अ वर्दी ऑफ इट. मैं मनी के लिए इसलिए डिजर्व करती हूँ. सेकेंड मेरा रीजन ये होता है कि आई डिजर्व मनी बिकॉज इट हेल्प मी टू प्रोवाइड अ प्लेस ऑफ अ सिक्योरिटी and it gives me like you know it satisfy my all desire. मेरी सारी desires ये complete करती है. Also I deserve money because I can afford whatever the things I want and I live my life fullest. I deserve money because it help me to achieve my goals. मेरे जो भी goals है मेरे life के, वो मुझे अचीव करने के लिए मदद करते हैं. वैसे आपको 10 reasons लिखने हैं why you think that you deserve money. So just write down why you think that you deserve money in your life. Yes, done so. Yes. Can you just share what are the 10 things?
Okay. Money is my birthright.
Okay.
And in fact, that's the reason I'm born in this planet. Money is created for me. I love money. Money loves me. We are the true lovers. It is my lifeline. Money is a stimulator to me. Money is the biggest energizer to me. Money is divine. Universe has created money for me. Thank you.
Wow. Superb, sir. So powerful affirmations, actually. These are. Wow.
Just created. Just now scripted.
Wow, superb, sir. And sir, one thing also, अभी दिमाग में आया, if I ask you a question, that can you still write down the 5 things if you will be a millionaire? अगर आप millionaire हो जाओगे, then write down the 5 things what you will do if you become a millionaire.
If I will become, I am already. So what do I do now? Your question is actually, you have to reframe your question. I am
Okay.
already a millionaire.
Okay, billionaire then. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I can surely
Okay.
write it. Already it is there in my mind.
Right.
You want? I'll share that also.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes, Nagendra ji, just tell me 10 things.
Yes, ma'am. I deserve the money because I am abundant. I am
Okay.
good enough to handle the money. I
Okay.
deserve money because it is a tool or way to live life fully.
Right.
I deserve the money to fulfill all my daily needs of mine and my family. I
Okay.
deserve the money to be always in a happy stage. I deserve the money to help others and also to complete my goals, all my financial goals and investment and all. I deserve the money to live life peace and happily. I deserve the money to also to live life healthy and, and also to fulfill my all hobbies and interests.
Wow. Wow. Lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
sharing. Yes, Munira ji, आपका sharing.
Yeah, somehow the same thing. Because money, the same sentence I wrote also. What the Anirudh ji speak out. तकरीबन सब सेम ही है.
अच्छा. तो आप किस रीजन के लिए और डिजर्व करते हो? आप अपने कुछ सेंटेंस में बताइए.
I can get the position in the samaj for this with the money. I can live proper life. I help the needy people. I can help others. I can enjoy my life with the money. Whatever I want and I think with the money I can do it very easily.
Okay. Wow.
I can help. I can give my children healthy life. Whatever the schooling or colleges or anything, any need. And I can live my life very calm with the money. कोई झगड़ा नहीं, कोई नहीं, very calmly. बस.
Wow, thank you, Viraji. Thank you all for sharing. Super. Yes.
बाकी तो युवराज जी का जो लिखी मैंने लिख दी वो भी.
हाँ, युवराज जी के एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो क्लास तो मैं रही हूँ ऐसा मुझे लगता है, लेकिन सीख मैं एक्चुअली युवराज जी से रही हूँ.
No,
Seriously,
not at all.
yesterday I had a conversation with Saurabh and I told him like, Saurabh, this is the first time I'm learning so many things from युवराज जी and मुझे ऐसा ना हर वक्त हर टाइम ऐसे लगता है कि यशस्वी कुछ तो ऐसा है कनेक्शन युवराज जी के साथ कि कुछ तो ऐसा होता है कि तुझे ना सोचने पे समझने पे मजबूर कर देता है कि यशस्वी नो दिस इज नॉट द वे, यू कैन लुक योर लाइफ फ्रॉम दिस एंगल आल्सो. I had a very long conversation मेरा कल सौरभ के साथ यही हो रहा था.
That's really good.
Lucky actually.
That's really good. You know, we have to learn from everyone. We learn every day. I mean, right from what I should say, my left man in the society, he teaches so many things. You know, बेचारा बंदा एक स्टूल में बैठा रहता है, और
हाँ
12 घंटे ड्यूटी करता है.
हाँ
You know, his duty is from ground floor to 19th floor and come down and up and up and down.
right.
So many things we learn. It's only that, you know, how we are keeping ourselves alert and aware with the surrounding.
Seriously.
Massive things are available, and we have to just fine tune our systems. That's all. I mean, connecting self, the new you automatically comes out. I'm enjoying the sessions with you both.
थैंक यू सर. लेकिन
And
वो तो है सर, लेकिन सीरियसली आपने ना कुछ चीजों के लिए मेरा नजरिया थोड़ा चेंज किया है. मैं एक्चुअली आपसे बात करूंगी सेशन के बाद में, लेकिन थोड़ा मेरा नजरिया भी थोड़ा
see,
बदल गया है.
I am not against the share bazaar at all. Let me tell
हाँ
you.
हाँ
But you know, my share bazaar is around my own world. I have 68 partnership where I do not attend any meetings. Where I do not attend any meetings. That's how things are moving. You know, it is a very different bonding when you do such kind of investments. Ultimately, at the end of the day, Mr. Nagendra will also agree, you cannot vouch that you can make 50% returns, 100% return, or 300 times return in the share bazaar. You will
राइट सर.
get it on a one very good day. And if you anticipate the next 48 hours, it is going to boom down.
It will come down. Yes.
Right. So average
Right,
is
sir.
what? Average, you know, could not be more than 20 to 24%.
Right, sir.
And if you get somewhere around 28 to 36% with your own surrounding, why do I have to go to a third person? Strangers, I will never go that. And when you are in your own world, it's a beautiful way of taking things. We will have a, I mean, I am thinking for formulating another work in the same pattern with the bamboo plantation where I made a lot of money. I mean,
Right, sir.
today morning we were having a long discussion with a person whom I have only met over phone. I have not seen him. And today we were discussing, you know, how we go with the project on a
Right.
3,25,25 lakh square meter land is having in Goa. So I suggested him, do a plantation as a boundary with bamboo plantation.
Right, sir.
And we had a long discussion, and he's flying to Mumbai day after tomorrow.
Right,
So
sir.
these are something which you have a one-on-one share. This is also a share bazaar. My work
Right,
is
sir.
little different, but I'm not against. I'm not against.
Right.
Yesterday I was telling you what has happened to Anil Ambani's company, right? So
Yes.
there may be a difference of point of view. I'm not pointing finger on Mr. Anil Ambani. You know, he is also a giant even now.
Yes.
So he is there, and I am Yuvraj Kalra. That's it. I have no comparison with anyone.
Yes, sir.
It,
Okay. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm learning so many things, beautiful things from you. You know, these things are going to help me during my my main is pharmaceutical trainings, but along with that, I give them something which I have created my signature program, the new you within you.
New you within you. Wow. Nice name. Super.
So that's a clear hand holding for 30 days.
Yeah.
But,
Wow.
you know, I give 100% guarantee. I mean, for a money return back guarantee. But then you have to have your, you know, something called a logbook with you, and this
Yes, sir.
one should surrender it before asking for money back.
Money.
I will watch for only 4 hours, and things are crystal clear whether the person, he or she, has done the homework on daily basis, or it was done only at the end of the week.
Yes.
End of the week, that is no point. You know, it has to be on a day-to-day basis. So today, when you just gave to write it, this was for this moment. If I do not do this exercise for this moment, I'm not registering anything after that.
Absolutely. Right, sir. Wow.
Thank you. Carry on.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Beautiful.
So, how our brain is conditioned in terms of money. हमारा brain किस तरह से condition होता है money के लिए. तो बचपन से लेके हमने कैसे कैसे condition हमारा brain हो रहा है. The one is that verbal programming. The first point is that verbal programming. What did you hear about money, wealth, and rich people when you were growing up? The second thing, did you ever hear a phrases like money is a root of evil, or save your money for a rainy day, मुश्किल समय के लिए मनी को बचाओ, rich people are greedy, और rich people are criminals, या फिर you have to work hard to make a money doesn't grow on a trees, or you can't be rich and you can't be spiritual, money does not buy happiness, money talks, or rich people only get richer and the poor gets poorer, and ऐसा कुछ अपने वर्बल कॉन्वर्सेशंस हमारे प्रोग्राम में मनी के बारे में सुने हैं क्या बचपन में ना? ऑल दिस स्टेटमेंट्स आर रिमेन इन अवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एंड बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर मनी ब्लूप्रिंट एंड which is running our financial life. So all these statements are not actually support our financial well-being, and verbal conditioning ये actually extremely powerful है. इसके लिए मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस में बताना चाहूंगी. होता क्या है, my family में I am the only one who is entrepreneur. तो मैंने अभी ये रेफरेंस पॉइंट सबके लिए बना दिया है कि बिजनेस हो सकता है, बिजनेस में मनी हो सकता है. इसके पहले मेरी जितनी पुरानी जनरेशन थी, मम्मी से लेके, मम्मी पापा फ्रॉम दी बोथ साइड से लेके, ऐसा था उनका कि उन्होंने मुझे पहले से ही बता दिया था कि बिजनेस से पैसा नहीं आता है. तुम वंस यू आर इनटू द बिजनेस, और वो बेसिकली मतलब मिडिल क्लास पीपल हम हैं, हम कभी बिजनेस या फिर ऐसा कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, तुम्हें यू हैव टू डू ओनली जॉब. एंड दैट वाज द ओनली रीजन. मैं बचपन से ऐसे ही ग्रो हुई हूँ, एंड यही रीजन की वजह से मैंने जॉब सबसे पहले किया. एंड 10 ईयर्स से 10, 12, 15 ईयर से मैं ओनली जॉब में थी. हुआ ऐसा कि मेरा माइंड वो अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर रहा था कुछ जॉब को. ऐसा नहीं था कि आई वाज नॉट एंजॉयिंग जॉब, आई डोंट लाइक द वर्क, या फिर प्रेशर की वजह से, नो. बट देन कहीं ना कहीं मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा था, एंड मेरा सराउंडिंग एंड फ्रेंड्स इतना अच्छा था कि जो बिजनेस हमेशा करते थे, तो जॉब वाले लोग बहुत ही कम थे. और मुझे ऐसा मतलब इतना मुझे अच्छा लगता था कि यशस्वी, इफ यू आर डूइंग अ जॉब, तो शायद तुम वो उस चीज पे ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पाती हो, या फिर तुम अच्छा कुछ लाइफ में और ज्यादा सीख नहीं पाती, तुम हमेशा स्टक रहोगी 9 to 6 के बीच में. यू विल गो टू वर्क, यू विल कम बैक फ्रॉम द वर्क, यू विल डू हाउस होल्ड वर्क, इतना ही करोगे, यू विल नॉट ग्रो. तो मैंने वो एक्चुअली भ्रम मेरा घर वालों का तोड़ दिया, एंड नाउ आई एम इनटू दिस ट्रेनिंग इंडस्ट्री, एंड इतना मुझे अच्छा लगना व्हेन आई सी आई ट्रांसफॉर्म पीपल्स लाइफ, एंड व्हेन आई एम इनटू दिस बिजनेस. समटाइम्स आई एम आल्सो हैंडलिंग, लोगों के पोर्टफोलियोज भी मैं हैंडल करती हूँ. तो आई लाइक दिस जॉब, मुझे अच्छा लगता है ये. तो ये एक हो गया. तो मेरा वो मनी जो बिलीफ मिथ था, वो मैंने एक्चुअली घर वालों को मतलब थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल हुआ मुझे ये बात बताने की, क्योंकि डैड एंड मॉम वाज नॉट एट ऑल रेडी. अभी भी वो रेडी नहीं होते. अभी वो मुझे वो बोलते रहते कि नो, यू डोंट हैव टू डू दिस, चुपचाप जॉब के लिए लग जाओ, एक सिक्योर्ड मनी आएगा, सेफ प्लेस तुम रहोगी. मैंने नहीं बोलती उनको, आई विल कंटिन्यू वॉट एवर आई लव एंड वॉट एवर इज माई पैशन. तो मैं वही करूंगी. So sir, I wanted to know from all of you कि ऐसा कभी आपके साथ सर हुआ है क्या, युवराज जी, नरेंद्र जी? If this
I
thing
have
happened
actually,
with you.
as I told you, I started by making envelopes, लिफाफे बनाते थे हम.
हाँ.
That means a very challenging situation were there in my house as well. Right. But the beauty was that, such statements we were never ever given by my parents. We were all blessed to be, content, and we were always given an opportunity to do something differently. जो एक मे बी उस समय फादर की मुझे तनख्वाह तो नहीं पता है कि कितनी थी उनकी सैलरी. जब मैं शायद 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में था, तब से मैं और मेरी सिस्टर वी यूज्ड टू मेक, after coming from the school, 4 hours we used to work on this project. So at the end of the week we used to get around, on an average, around 28 or 30 rupees in a week. So that used to be a big contribution. So we started making table lamps. एक टेबल लैम्प बनाने के लिए हमें खर्चा आता था उस समय कुछ मेरे ख्याल से 4.5 रुपए, बट वो बिकता था करीब 16 रुपए का. तो ऐसे 4 या 5 टेबल लैम्प्स आपने बेच दिए. That used to give us another impetus to do something differently.
Right.
So everything, an opportunity was given. And yes, when I graduated, my father said, where are you going to do a job now? So I said, I'm taking a private company. He never questioned me why, although he was a government servant.
Right.
So after a stint of
Hmm.
almost around 12 and a half years of my corporate career, I quit at the age of 34
Hmm.
with all the responsibilities, a
Right.
wife, 2 kids. At the age
Wow.
of 34, it is a very risky thing to jump for.
I agree. I agree, sir. Yes.
So, but the beauty, I will tell you now, my son, 2014, he graduated. 2018, he quit his job and he is an
Wow.
entrepreneur. My
He's into.
daughter, he's he's a basic, I mean, he completed his graduation from BITS Pilani as a computer
Oh,
science. And then he was with a startup called 1MG in Gurgaon. 4 quarter to 4 years he was there. And now he has got his own business in US. And he's developing an app which will be released maybe in like 4 to 4.5 months time. And he has a digital school. He is teaching people around how to make money. I mean, a dear money, like 10,000 USD in a 90 days program. How you can make it. But then again, is the same story. He is not going to handhold and do everything for you. He will only tell you these are the process.
right.
When I had asked him how he reached $1 lakh in less than 90 days,
Mm-hmm.
he said, I was never behind the number. I was behind a process and my process was right. Number actually followed.
Right.
So, I mean, I have learned so many things from my young child. My daughter, she passed in 2017, graduated
Mm-hmm.
from 2017, and 2018, she started her own academy. So,
Wow.
karna hai. They
Right,
have
sir.
done it themselves at the age of, like,
Wow.
son has done it at the age of 26 and a half,
Right.
27. Daughter has done at the age of 22. So
Right.
what I did in 34, I'm blessed, that they have done it
That
much
they
before.
much
Actually the right
before.
time.
Seriously,
Actually the
sir.
right time.
You were a model for them. You are actually a role model for them.
That was Lord Krishna. I'm just nothing.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Okay.
yes,
Reflected
Mr.
well.
Nagendra ji can give some insights.
Wow. Yes. Anyone wants to share anything?
Sir, actually, I am also in business since last 6 to 7 years. That after my father was expired, and I am independent and fully.
Mm-hmm.
So earlier we have some joint family. My younger brother is also a good billionaire. Actually, he was in US. So I'm just taking help of him and started some business like told you that in mobile and with tie-up with Geo, and we are doing that services. Again, I started some business of that hospitality, like PG and all. In lockdown, I lost some money in that, but if someone is my near that I know that he is good, so I invested money and by like a sleeping partner. So I'm अभी मैं थोड़ा सा ना डेयरिंग कर रहा हूँ बिजनेस में.
I'll stop you for one moment only.
Yeah.
Don't use that word sleeping partner. Yeah, carry on. I'll
No,
tell you
no,
later on about that.
no. Actually, my observation is always there. I go to shop on Sunday and all.
No. I'm saying never use that word
Yeah,
sleeping
yeah,
partner.
yeah. Right, right.
You are a partner, active
Mm.
partner. You cannot call yourself as a sleeping partner. You will always be otherwise allowed to sleep.
Accounts terminology.
Yes, dear.
Financially, I'm always there, and also looking after activity, but overall, not in detail like day-to-day activities. But important decision is also mine. That's yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wow. Superb.
So I am
Superb.
also
Nice.
from
Nice
a
to
middle
hear.
class family, but growing by day by day,
Right.
and target of reach like Junjunola and all. My that purpose of my life is that in a big investor.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Lovely. So yes, hello Manuri ji. Good evening. So we were discussing about कि क्या है हमारे actually our brain is how model from बचपन से our brain is conditioned in terms of money. So have you heard any kind of conversations when you are into business, right?
Yeah.
So have you heard any kind of conversations during your childhood में कि what you heard about money, like wealth or rich people, or did you heard phrases like money is the root of evil, save money for a rainy day, like rich people are greedy, rich people are criminal, or you have to work like hard to make a money, or money does not grow on a tree, like that conversations have you heard during your childhood, or
Yeah.
does that affect your business? Like,
Yeah, I have heard of, but my family people won't use those words. My family is my base is my ancestors are they are doctors actually. They'll in Tamil they'll say as Vaidiyar Kudumbam. So they won't use such words, and we are all are rich enough to help others. Likewise, we are the whole family is like that. No problem in that. But I have heard with friends and family people, I have heard those wordings. If we get a lot of money, we get into sufferings or something like that. They usually say, but I won't. My ears will be deaf to that words. Okay.
nice. All right, thank you Madhurji for sharing.
Thank you.
Now the second way that we are conditioning is known as a modeling.
Okay.
So modeling में होता क्या है? What our parents and guardians like in the area of money when they were growing up? Did one of them were manage their money well, or did they were mismanaging money, or were they spenders, or were they savers, or were they were the smart investor, or were they non-investors, or were they risk takers होते या फिर conservative investor होते? So was money was a consistently there was some flow or more a sporadic like irregular money हमेशा रहती थी? Did money come to us easily in your family, or was it always a struggle? Was the money was a source of joy in your household, was a bitter argument? ऐसा कुछ होता था क्या? Because होता क्या है कि when we were a childhood ना, we always copy our parents. Monkey see, monkey do. ऐसा हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि वही हमने किया था ना एज अ चाइल्ड ना, हम ग्रो अप भी वैसे होते हैं, हम हमारे बच्चों को भी उसी तरह से देखते हैं और उसी तरह से हम उनको ग्रो करवाते हैं. So ये ब्लॉकेजेस से निकलना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड फॉर दैट वी नीड टू डू ऑलवेज सेल्फ रिसर्च, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करने की हमें बहुत जरूरी है. एंड यस, इस तरह से हमारा ब्रेन हमेशा कंडीशन होता है चाइल्डहुड से. The third point is about the special incidents. Now the third primary point in which we are conditioned is by a special incident. Specific incident, you can call it as a special incident. So special incidents is about what did you experience when you were young about the money, और या फिर what did you think about money in was there any fights between your mom dad? हमारे मम्मी पापा के बीच में कभी फाइट हुई थी क्या? या फिर हमारे मम्मी पापा ने कभी वेल्दी पीपल के बारे में कुछ करप्ट वगैरह ऐसा देखा था कि, या फिर हमारे नेबर्स जो होते थे वो हमेशा ग्रो होते थे, उनके घर में बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स वगैरह हमेशा नए नए आते थे, एवरी वीक एवरी मंथ कुछ ना कुछ खरीदते रहते थे, एंड मम्मी पापा को ऐसा लगता था कि ऐसे स्पेशल इंसिडेंट उनसे उनके घर में रहते थे, एंड उन्होंने भी यही बताया हमें कि हमेशा रिच पीपल के पास ही मनी होता है. तो ऐसे कुछ स्पेशल इंसिडेंट्स का हमारे ऊपर कुछ असर हुआ है क्या? या फिर having a lot of money makes me a bad person, or people won't like me if you have a lot of money. तो ऐसा कुछ है क्या? इस तरह से हमारा ब्रेन हमेशा कंडीशन होता था चाइल्डहुड की मेमोरी की तरफ से. So yes, these are the 3 points. One is verbal programming, second is a modeling, and third is a special incident. Now, अभी ये तो हो रहा है. Now, these are the life. हम इसी तरह से हमारी मनी की ब्लूप्रिंट में हम हमेशा बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. But अगर यही चीज if we are continuing, if they're in our life, then people will find it very difficult to come out of that money chaos and create a good goal in money life. लोगों को बहुत difficulty होगी. So what is that a breakdown stage? Basically money की breakdown stage ये होती क्या है? Whenever people are experiences a breakdown state, then it can be like inconvenient, uncomfortable, even frightening जैसी चीज होती है. अगर people money chaos में most of the time रहते हैं, then उनके लिए बहुत difficult होता है इस चीज से बाहर आना. They feel like बहुत lazy जैसे हो जाते हैं. They become very depressed. They develop some social anxiety. Like people are feeling very guilty. People are feeling very shameful about themselves. They are more into the denial phase में चले जाते. अगर टेबल पे अगर एनवलप्स या फिर कवर्स ऐसे बिल्स वगैरह पड़े रहते हैं तो दे विल नॉट लुक इनटू दैट. दे विल नॉट लुक इनटू देयर बैंक स्टेटमेंट्स के वो देखेंगे नहीं. मेल्स आते हैं बैंक्स को, आंसरिंग नहीं करेंगे, नॉट पेइंग एनी अटेंशन टू देयर फाइनेंशियल स्टेज में क्या है. तो ब्रेकडाउन स्टेज में ये हमेशा रहता है. सो आई विल टेल यू व्हाई दिस इज हैपन विद दिस. ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. The first point is because you have to see. अभी हमें देखने की बहुत जरूरत है एंड हमें इस यहाँ से अभी बाहर निकलना है. मनी ब्रेकडाउन से एक मनी केओस की स्टेज इज ऑलवेज देयर इन अवर माइंड. पहले तो होगी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी. अगर यही चीज कंटिन्यू हो रही है हमारी लाइफ में, देन देयर विल बी ऑलवेज अ मनी केओस हमारे लाइफ में आ जाएगा. नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग, करंट इन्वायरमेंट एंड द सराउंडिंग. सो अवर इन्वायरमेंट इंक्लूड्स, हमारे करंट इन्वायरमेंट एंड हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में कौन इंक्लूड होता है. अवर फ्रेंड्स, अवर कलीग्स, लोकेशन, हैबिट, लाइफस्टाइल. इट डेफिनेटली इम्पैक्ट फार मोर, और either it impact a better or either it will impact a worse in our life, and it will have a significant and lasting changes without altering some elements in your environment. अगर हमें कुछ lasting changes, हमारे लाइफ में कुछ significant changes लाने, तो हमें हमारा environment change करने की जरूरत है. Now I'll give you some assignment for this. First is that you have to ask these two questions to yourself. First is that if your environment is helping you to grow, or is that holding you back. Is your current environment, your current surrounding is helping you to grow or is holding you back. So हमारे current environment में कौन आता है? That is your friends, your relatives, your parents, your lifestyle, habits, location and workplace. Now you have to write down at least a one point. एक आपको point ऐसा लिखना है if you are saying that कि आपका current environment and current surrounding आपको grow करने के लिए help करता है. ये 5 points में से you have to write down how your friends help you to grow, how your relatives help you to grow, how your parents help you to grow, how what is your lifestyle that you are enjoying that help you to grow, what are your habits that help you to grow, what is your locations and what is your workplace, that is your business. और आप अगर जॉब कर रहे हो तो you have to write down at least one point कि आपको किस तरह से ग्रो करने के लिए हेल्प करते हैं. से फॉर एग्जांपल आपका फ्रेंड आपको कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट की एडवाइस देता है, आपको कुछ अच्छी बातें बताता है क्या. जस्ट राइट डाउन एटलीस्ट अ one point how your current environment is helping you to grow in your life.
Actually, I have a friends of different, like other areas. So how I can take
Your friend, sorry sir,
from different like area, different like most of my friends in market only. Those who are connected with WhatsApp and all.
Your friends are जो आपके दोस्त हैं वो आपके मार्केट में से ही है, आपके शेयर मार्केट ग्रुप में से, that you are saying, right?
Yeah, but अलग-अलग है, like local भी हैं, अलग है, फिर उसको कैसे करना है?
But how they help you to grow? आप उनके साथ कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो? How much time you are spending with them? आप कितना टाइम उनके साथ स्पेंड करते हो? That you need to check. So in a hours में at least are you spending week में आप कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो? और जितना टाइम आप स्पेंड करते हो ना, जी, you have to find out कि वो जो टाइम मैं स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ आपके दोस्त के साथ, वो मुझे क्या ग्रो करने के लिए हेल्प करता है, और आई एम जस्ट चिट चैटिंग विद देम, या फिर मैं उनके साथ सबसे ज्यादा पार्टीज करता हूँ। अगर मैं पार्टी कर रहा हूँ तो क्या वो मुझे ग्रो करने के लिए हेल्प कर रही है वो पार्टी?
Ma'am,
इज
I
दैट?
just my point is that only that party friends are different, share
हाँ हाँ,
market people are different,
ओके
spiritual friends are different. So how
ओके,
I can,
तो राइट डाउन ना सर एटलीस्ट अ पॉइंट, आपको क्या ग्रो होता है आपके लाइफ में? आप बोलते हो ना कि आपके अलग अलग जगह से आपके फ्रेंड है, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका स्पिरिचुअल का है, वो आपको किस तरह से ग्रो करने के लिए हेल्प करता है? आपको ऐसी कौन सी एडवाइस आपको देते हैं? सी आप मुझे मत बताओ, यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट डाउन इन योर डायरी। जब आप वो खोल के देखोगे ना डायरी, यू विल रियलाइज कि मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल कितना मजबूत है, कितना स्ट्रांग है मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल। मैं उसका आपको रीजन बताती हूँ कि क्या और क्यों नहीं है करके। मुनीरा जी, आपको समझ में आया क्या लिखना है?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I wrote.
ओके, गुड। Super. Now, if your environment is not helping you to grow, आपको आपके मनी के गोल्स so ऑल्सो इफ आई एम, मेरे अगर मनी के गोल्स कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहे, मैं मेरे मनी के गोल्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एनवायरनमेंट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो उसके रीजंस क्या है? अगर आपका कोई भी फॉर एग्जांपल नॉट अ सिंगल गोल इज नॉट अचीविंग, आपका एक भी गोल नहीं अचीव हो रहा है, देन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दोस पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम नॉट अचीविंग माई मनी गोल और आई एम नॉट अचीविंग एनी गोल इन माई लाइफ। वाई? बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव a sufficient knowledge about my investment. I am too lazy for gaining those knowledge, या फिर I don't read my bank statements, मैं bank statements नहीं पढ़ती हूँ, और I am not good in monthly budgeting. So either of that, ऐसे कोई reasons है क्या? Is there any reasons in your life which is not helping और ग्रोइंग आपका नहीं हो रहा है मनी का गोल? इज देयर एनी रीजन इन योर लाइफ नहीं को ग्रो कर रहा है? दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, वो भी आपको लिखना है। जस्ट राइट डाउन एटलीस्ट 2-3 पॉइंट्स। ऐसा कुछ आपको आता है आपके दिमाग में? इज देयर एनी रीजन?
I say in English.
Okay, you have to write down the at least 2-3 reasons which is not it's like there is an environment, right? Have you written those points that the environment which help you to grow?
Yeah, I have wrote.
Your parents is supporting you to help you to grow, your relatives is also there to help you to grow, but is there any reason because your money's goal is not achieving, you are not achieving your money ka goal? Is there any reason? So there may be the reason that you become too lazy, you are procrastinating, or you are not ready to gain the knowledge of that money ka goal, or you are not reading your bank statement. There may be the n number of either, you are not good in budgeting. So write down at least 2-3 points that you are not achieving your money goal. How
You said everything.
हाँ, I said everything, but there can be other things also.
Yes.
Yeah, Yuvraj. Is there any environment which is helping you to grow in your family, relationships,
Without
lifestyle habits?
without creating an environment, you cannot move an inch also. That's for sure.
True.
That's for sure, right? But
Yes.
like in my mobile, there are more than nearly, I should say, quarter to 9,000 contact numbers. But if you ask me how many are my friends there, then I will say two. It's a shocking. People don't believe it, but
No,
that's the fact.
I am one of them.
Yes.
So that if you see, if someone says, "Arey Kalra, I know you for last 10 years," you know me, but I don't know you.
Yes.
Neither I am interested in knowing you, because if you are my time sucker and my energy sucker, be happy at your place. I'm sorry, I cannot invite you. I have got my fixed pandas in my life. So if I say two, people say you're lying, but it is the fact. So without friends, can you be happy? Yes, you have to be yourself a best friend to you yourself.
Hmm.
पहले जब मैं अपने से प्यार नहीं करूंगा ना, जब मैं ओवरफ्लो नहीं होऊंगा ना, तो मेरे till I do not overflow with the love, I cannot say I love you to my daughter, I love you to my wife, I love you to my son. Because if I have to first overflow, and if I'm not overflowing, then sorry, this is a melodrama.
Hmm. Right.
So, did any friend help you? Your question was there, right? No friend ever helped me to reach my this destination.
Okay.
Whoever has come has a vested interest in mutual, and that's not friendship. It's a business relationship. And you have to, where I give my credit is connecting to the Supreme Lord Krishna and my Guru Maharaj, that is my master. And I believe very strongly with the inner connection, the inner guidance which I get, then I do not go back and recheck. If the inner calling tells me tomorrow, invest in Yashashri's project. But if my inner calling tells me then only, you may tell me 4 hours presentation, I will say, yes, okay, I'll come back. I'll never come back till my inner calling calls me for that. This is the way, if someone knows to do the self connection, you
Yes,
don't
sir.
need anybody else.
Yes.
I might be a different person to a different person in a different level. But the hard reality is, I do the cord cutting. Soon after this session, my cords are cut with everyone present on this group also. I have no expectation with any one of you all. Because the moment I carry the expectation, oh, mere ko Yashashri se, Shaurabh se, I had to take some extra benefit, then I'm doing something blunder with me myself.
Right.
So
Sir.
soon after every telephone call, business call, family call, or even our this session, as the session ends, my chapter ends with you all, with everyone like that. I do the cord cutting instantly. And this is what I have learned in 1997 through my master only, to have no expectation and carry on. Our dog has given a barking giving, that's the truth. There is a
Yes.
divine,
Yes. It's true.
they call it, some bell will ring, something will happen, that's how you will have to. And you get motivated, no doubt, from your family members, but that is not alone enough. You have to be self-motivated. No one else will motivate other than you yourself. This is the secret mantra.
I'm so sorry. Is it dog? Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
are busy?
No,
I said,
I was not. There was a dog continuously barking.
yeah, he
is
was
the reason.
telling, your dog was
Yeah.
telling, yes, this is the right
True.
statement. So he
Yes, sir.
barked
I
at the right
completely
time.
agree with you. Whatever you say, even yeah, that is the reason I told you that there is some connection I found in you. I don't know what that. Anyway, that my demand will tell me later. I don't know, but yes. Wow.
I'll tell you, in 1998, 24th December, a day before my birthday. I'm born on 25th December. So 24th, I resigned from the Renmaxi group, the corporate life.
Acha.
And I started my project April 18th, 1999.
Okay.
I thought, in 12 and a half years, I have gathered so much of relationship, so much of my contacts with my managing directors of the company, the vice president of the company, the general manager of the company, the marketing manager. I mean, I'm talking not the ground, I'm talking on the top levels. Because of my achievements, I was very close to these guys. So I thought my business will flourish in no way. Everyone will help me, support me. In the first 6 months, I will have my ROI. You won't believe, 8 months, one person also did not came forward to support Yuvraj Kalra. And I, like a fool, waited and waited and waited. अरे सर का अभी ऑर्डर आ जाएगा, ये वाले सर मुझे हेल्प कर देंगे, वो सेल्फ हेल्प कर देंगे. 9th month I said, बोलते ना दिमाग की बत्ती जली, मैंने कहा leave aside all these guys. You have to do it. It is your life, your way, your method.
Seriously, sir. I also agree with this.
On the 10th month, I got my first breakthrough order. I was expecting to have a ROI in 6 months because of these giants around me. So nobody helps you. You have to help yourself. That is the mantra I learned in 1999.
Wow.
They are all in good books. Today also, every week we have a WhatsApp hello, hi. But okay, that's fair enough. No expectation at all. This is what someone says, how many friends you have helped you? No. That's whoever comes, that comes with a vested interest. Relatives,
True, sir.
they come with a vested interest.
Saurabh used to say like that me because मेरी और सौरभ की हमेशा यही बात पे discussions होती है कि यशस्वी, there are the people who will come in your life, only they will show interest, some kind of उनका कुछ interest रहता है, that is the reason they are coming into your life. Otherwise there are no people, so restrict yourself from the people and just एक और दो हो, that's it. So
Everyone,
yes,
everything will be business relationship.
Yes.
Everyone has an interest with. I married this lady. There was an interest which generated somewhere in 1990 and 91. I got married. So if there was an interest, there is a purpose for that, and one should continue to maintain it till you can. So last 30 years, I'm maintaining it. She is maintaining me, and I'm maintaining.
Decided by Lord Krishna.
That is without that, I say nothing will happen.
Yes. Wow, lovely sharing it is actually. I just enjoying
Thank
these
you.
experiences. Wow. So yes.
So this is what I say. You connect self, and that is the biggest. That's what we have been listening. No, gut feeling. No heart, no mind. Answer should be from the gut feeling. Where is that gut?
Right, sir.
And that is only when we connect. And that connection comes maybe through the meditation, what I do. So I can advocate, yes, one should do some little practice.
Right, sir. आपने अभी जो कहा ना वो connection है, that is the reason we connect. So exactly जब when we did our Rewire Your Brain program ना, there was a lady. तो उन्होंने भी हमें यही कहा था, यशस्वी सौरभ, there is some connection, that is the reason I'm connecting you. Otherwise hundreds and thousands of messages आते हैं मुझे WhatsApp पे. I never look into those messages, but I don't know that day something was pop up and I directly called Saurabh, I called you and I connect you, and still this अभी तक वो she's connecting with us. Then मैंने उनको खुद से कॉल किया और कहा why you have joined this Rewire Your Brain earlier ये न्यूरो मनी मास्टरी का प्रोग्राम Rewire Your Brain है. तो we called her, then she said like मैंने ना actually अपने वो aura देखा कि you guys are doing something different than other people, that is the reason I'm connecting with you, otherwise मैं तो देखती भी नहीं है. She is some Reiki grandmaster and something उसने किया है. So वो वही कहती है कि मुझे वो इंटरेस्ट आ गया करने के लिए, and then that is the reason I'm joining you, otherwise मैं आती ही नहीं. So yes,
I too agree with that. Because every message in the group I'll delete everything. suddenly there was nearly when I about to delete, there was around 400 messages from that group. That was a high networking something HNI group, I think. I have deleted all the messages. Before deleting your message, I got a point and I messaged this separately. What is the class about?
Great.
So it's also got space. And
You-
meeting Yugraj G is also.
I'm so
Sir,
like I'm feeling
you
that I'm
are
the blessed to
rocking.
have
You are
Yuvraj ji in
rocking.
our group.
this is where I say only the lucky chosen ones are around here, right? Lucky
Yes,
chosen ones
yes.
are
True, sir.
chosen by the divine.
True.
That is
Yeah.
number one. My connection with, if I say Shaurabh or Yashashri in this session, is because in my last birth, I was teaching them.
Okay.
All right. Now they have come back and they started teaching me, and my balance portion I am sharing with them.
Okay. For me too.
Possibly, yes.
Thank
That's it.
you.
Yes.
So yes, this
We that is what is a connection.
yes,
That is
connection.
what I always say is connection. And when I'm talking to you, some cool breeze have brushed my body. You know, there is a goosebumps all over. So there is some angelic current is there. So whatever I have said, it resonates. What I said, it has come through me. I mean,
Yeah.
at this moment, my mouth is borrowed by Divine Lord Krishna. I am not speaking. It is Lord Krishna speaking right
Yeah.
now.
Exactly.
Again, I got it. So it is something of our the past life. That's the reason. Very short, narrowed group is here. Sometimes someone comes, attends the full
Seriously, sir,
session.
this is the
Somebody
one
doesn't.
narrowed group, and I and Saurabh had decided. Even there was only one person. We decided to give them like देना ही है और करना ही है. This is the only पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है सर कि एकदम छोटा सा ग्रुप हो गया. But we enjoyed thoroughly. मैं तो सौरभ से यही बात करती थी कि that I enjoy this group. I don't know, लेकिन हाँ.
Thank you.
Right, चलो. Yes.
Carry on.
So, yes. The
Maybe
second
because
reason is that
one second. Maybe because we are Yadav. Manohar Yadav. Krishna has
Okay.
connected. Okay.
Possibly. Yes, absolutely.
Correct.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
seriously,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, sir.
The second reason is about that people have why people are find it difficult to come out of their money chaos is in our life. It affects actually our decision. It helps to take our actions. Our outcome हमें achieve करने के लिए नहीं देते. Fear very often become a very significant obstacles आता है that stands between you and your goal के बीच में आ जाता है. Fear means that if I'm stuck somewhere, failing something that I'm irrelevant, failing something that letting people down, that मैं कुछ possibilities के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देता हूँ. मेरा ध्यान हमेशा fear ही रहता है. मेरे मन में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी चीज रहती है and that environment is not holding, मतलब मुझे पीछे खींचता है. The third point है that creating a bubble around self which has entangled me completely. What bubble I have creating around myself is that if I started a business and if business fail, वो एक bubble हो गया. If I am into the job और I have chosen one career and उसमें मैं fail हो गया. I am into some relationship and वो fail हो गए. तो there are some emotional कुछ है मेरा उस bubble के around में. हमेशा I am creating always a bubble around me. मेरे आजू बाजू में हमेशा वो bubble create करता हूँ. That is the reason of people हमेशा money chaos की तरफ हमेशा खींचते रहते हैं और वो आगे जाने की हमें कोशिश नहीं करते. So yes, these are the 3 reasons which I have shared with you. तो इसके अलावा भी इफ यू वांट टू शेयर एनीथिंग कि आपको आपके मनी के गोल्स रिच करने के लिए क्यों नहीं देते, यू वांट टू से समथिंग कि क्यों नहीं देते अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस रीजंस, अपार्ट फ्रॉम सराउंडिंग, अपार्ट फ्रॉम फियर, अपार्ट फ्रॉम क्रिएटिंग अ बबल. तो ऐसा कुछ है कि आपको आपके मनी के रीजंस अचीव नहीं करने देते? Yeah.
They are
Muniraji.
all excuses.
Yes.
You find a better reason for every time you either do not attempt, or you really do not want to come out of your comfort zone. So you keep on giving excuses of surrounding, family, wife, daughter, relatives, every scenario. That is nothing to do with that.
If we want
Absolutely
to,
nothing to do with it.
yeah, if we want to do, we can do. Then there is no reason.
When we say surrounding, what if I just close my every door of listening? It doesn't impact me. You know, if I just sit in a best of best palace and my thinking are of a roadsider, what will happen then? So you're staying in a palace thinking of a roadsider. So if you're sitting in a roadside, think about a palace. It's all your own mind game. So anything what we call the surrounding, this listening, that listening, you won't believe. I have been listening so many times. You know, our mind is a monkey mind. We say around 40 to 45 thoughts every minute.
Yes.
I really do not know where is my third thought also. I'm blank. I'm at the nothingness zone. If I have nothing, I'm in a nothingness zone. I don't have to keep
Right.
thinking about Yashashri ma'am or Shaurabh after the session. Session is over. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, we will see.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Just close that chapter then and there and I leave it. When I go for a movie with my wife, when I come out, if you ask me which movie it was, sorry, the session is over.
Session is over, yeah. Seriously.
Who was the main lead actor, actress? Forget it.
Right, sir.
I do not carry things out. That entertainment hour of 3 hours, 4 hours is over. Move on.
Mantra of a happiness, sir. Actually.
Yugraj
This is
ji,
the
I have
best
a
mantra of happiness. Should not monkey chat should not be there in your one. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yugraj ji, can you say some insights about luck? Is it truly there? Or it's a fake thing? Because I can see people sometimes they work. Some people will work hard for too many times. Maybe it may be a smart work, but they are working hard, but they could not reach the tree top. But simultaneously,
I have understood your question, so I'm cutting that
okay,
long
question
story
break.
short.
Okay.
It is your karma theory. What you have done in the past, how much balance you have brought it in this lifetime will make that portion. If today you have got an opportunity and the person by mistake has given you something extra and he should have not given you, you should take that advantage and continue to increase the karmic balance. I will narrate one example. Our banker is ex-banker, Yashashri madam is there.
Okay.
So I was visiting a bank, my bank.
Okay.
I had given a self check for 20,000 rupees.
Okay.
Cash withdrawal. The lady gives me 500 ka one bundle. Madam, listen very carefully as a banker.
Yes.
500, one bundle of 500, another bundle of 100. How much she has given me?
One bundle of 500 and
60,000.
60,000. Okay.
Instead of 20,000, she handed over 60,000. So I said, please recount it. I gave back both the bundles to her.
Yeah.
She recounted. Then I said, why don't you use a machine also once again? So she said, sir, बहुत लंबा line है. There is a lot of people in the queue. Why are you forcing me to count third time? I said, please, for my sake, do it once again. Right. So third time I handed over the 500 and 100 rupee bundle and she counted, again gave back. So I said, you're looking so beautiful today. So she said, I know you have got enough extra time today, so you're teasing me. Sir, please, my manager is also having a look and you're taking extra time on the window. I said, एक बार और last time count करके दे दो. Fourth time I gave. She
Okay.
counted for the fourth time. She returned me the fourth time 60,000 rupees. So I said, can you come out of your cash counter box?
हाँ.
Bola, sir, let me finish. There are so many tokens pending. I said, come for 2 minutes.
Right, sir.
So she came out, and in the meantime, I walked inside the branch manager chamber. He is a good friend of mine.
Okay.
So I said, sir, ये count करो यार note कितने हैं? तो बोलते हैं, सर ये कालवा जी बहुत देर से मेरे को तंग कर रहे हैं, पिछले 18-19 मिनट से 4 बार काउंट करवा लिया इन्होंने. मैंने कहा मैडम ये कितने रुपए दिए आपने? बोले 20,000. She is absolutely blank. Huh? Absolutely blank. She has given me one 500 rupee bundle, and she has counted 4 times.
4 times, so still 60.
And then she said, "अरे my goodness, ये क्या हुआ? कैसे हुआ?" मैंने कहा, मैं आपको
Happens, sir. I
कैसे हो रहा है? क्यों हो रहा है? You do not know. But now, I am also observing behind my check. She has written 100 into 200 notes. Means what? She has given me 2 bundles of
2 bundles of 100
100,
rupees.
100.
It happens, sir.
I could have. The point I'm trying to tell you here is I could have coolly vanished from the scene and added negative karma that time.
This experience, sir, you shared na. It happened with me too.
So
in my career.
So how many times she blessed me?
Wow.
She must have blessed me not only that day particularly, but in numerous time. Whenever she is coming and
Throughout
sitting in the
of your
cash
life, sir, you have actually not saved her money. You have saved her jobs also.
No.
At the same time,
Job.
so many things saved. You have
Here-
saved her
here-
life basically.
No. Here I have not saved anything. I have added my karma. I have added my karmic balance by doing that act. I have done nothing for her. I have done everything for myself. I would have depleted my karmic balance, which I have got with me from the last birth to this birth by taking 40,000 and vanishing. So one should be very pure in dealings, whatever we do.
Yes.
Right? Thank you so much. And I have taken a lot of
Yes.
time. I have another 2 minutes, 9:15. I have to move.
Yes, sir.
So
We are
if
also
there is-
actually winding up. Tomorrow you have to wear red dress before winding
Yeah.
up. Just have to tell you. Come
You
with
have
the
to-
perfume.
Have have you sent it courier in a right address in my place?
Oh, dating. Date is money. Okay.
Sure. I have received the courier. We will be.
It will come, sir.
Thank you.
So, okay, we'll meet you
Thank you,
tomorrow sharp at 8 o'clock. Then dress
Perfect,
पहन के
perfect.
आना, money day day and last day also है. Okay.
Perfect.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
tomorrow is the last.
Yeah, sir. बोलिए ना, नागेंद्र जी.
Tomorrow is the last day.
Tomorrow is the last day.
हाँ. Red dress पहन के आना है कल.
Tomorrow-
पता नहीं.
Day
Tomorrow
after
is-
tomorrow, I'll miss. I'll miss the class.
Tomorrow is not the last day. Tomorrow is the closing.
This says is last day. There will be a level 2 also, but then
Okay.
let's see.
Then
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
enjoy. We will
Yes,
enjoy
sir.
tomorrow.
Thank you so
Yes,
much for your sharing. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye. Bye.
Love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Good
Good
night.
night to you.
So Munira ji, नागेंद्र जी and मनोरी जी कल
Yeah.
का है मतलब वही लास्ट डे नहीं बोल सकते जैसे कि तो लेवल 1 का लास्ट डे लेवल 2 इज एक्चुअली देयर लेट्स सी वो कैसे और कब स्टार्ट करना है बिकॉज सौरभ इज बिजी इन शिफ्टिंग में है तो मोस्टली
Okay.
2-3 दिन में ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे इफ यू गाइस आर इंटरेस्टेड तो हम लेवल 2 में भी इफ यू आर कमिंग
Okay.
देन वैसे सेम टाइम रहेगा
Mm.
देयर विल बी सम डिफरेंट
Ma'am,
लर्निंग एंड डिफरेंट कोचिंग विल बी देयर
But क्या points रहेंगे मतलब?
Yeah, there will be some buzz movement activity will be there. Some toxic people things will be there. Saurabh is conducting something different activities. There will be lot of things will be there. Different tools. Vision board is there actually. Level 2 में होने वाला है that we actually make a people sit and there वहाँ vision board बनाना पड़ता है. So वैसा that activity is there even. So yes.
For how many days?
So sorry.
For how many days?
Same 8 days मैम सेम 8 days के लिए रहेगा level 2 actually previous participants they have made their beautiful vision board का thing if I have I will share with you Then we'll have today some picture का एक session होगा. We'll click some pictures red dress के साथ. So ऐसे, so that is the reason. बहुत अच्छा होता है money का date, तो बहुत मजा आता है. Everyone enjoy that money day.
And I have a doubt, why red?
हम डेट पे जाते हैं तो रेड ही पहनते हैं ना, सो इसीलिए वो एक रिलेशनशिप बनाना रहता है किसी के साथ, so that is the reason रेड.
मैम मेरा कल थोड़ा सा ना इशू है.
अच्छा, तो you're not there on date? Oh, you will miss tomorrow's date. At least come na for half an hour or something.
Actually, one registration is there around 7:30.
Oh, from at what time registration is there?
Registration
7:30.
will take almost 1 hour.
So you are not there for full session money date. Oh my god, you will miss the fun.
Yeah. But
Yeah, you will actually
I will,
miss the fun, Nagendra ji.
Sir, try to join, sir. Just can close the video and keep, na?
Ah,
I will try. I will try.
yeah, please do come. Enjoy. अच्छा, इसके पहले कभी मनी की डेट नहीं की होगी ना आपने?
नहीं, मनी तो मैं डेली है ना, हाथ में लेके है ना उसको.
नहीं, डेट की बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डेट, अ प्रॉपर डेट. सो ट्राई एंड कम. देखिए कल पॉसिबल है तो ज्वाइन कीजिए.
Yes.
सो यस, विल मीट यू टुमारो. कुछ
Yes,
है
yes.
क्वेरी वगैरह अभी फॉर
हाँ
टुडेज
मैम,
सेशन?
yesterday and today's recording. please.
रिकॉर्डिंग ना, या आई विल टेल सौरभ, ही इज टू मच बिजी इन ये, वो क्या चालू करके चला जाता है उसका शिफ्टिंग का काम. सो आई विल टेल,
नहीं,
शायद
after
सौरभ
2-3
कल
days
ज्वाइन
also.
करेगा.
Okay. Yes.
लेट्स सी, देखती हूँ, पूछती हूँ मैं उसको.
Thank you. ma'am.
Okay.
ओके,
Thank you all.
Okay.
Bye. Good night.
चलो, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट,
Bye. Good night.
टेक केयर, बाय बाय.
Thank you, Riya.
राइट.